Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make user interfaces in Godot. We will start by understanding that Godot's UI system is built around control nodes, which are easily identifiable by their green icons in the editor. These nodes are the base for everything from buttons to text fields. Containers are crucial for organizing these elements, automatically handling their layout. You have the flexibility to build your UI directly within your game scene, or create dedicated UI scenes for better organization. Now, let's explore some essential UI nodes and how to arrange them. Basic elements like buttons, labels for text, texture recs for images, and line edits for single-line input are fundamental. For layout, H-box container and V-box container are your workhorses, aligning children side by side or stacked. The grid container is perfect for inventory systems or complex grids, while the center container ensures elements are perfectly centered within their parent, simplifying many common UI tasks. Creating a UI that looks good on any screen size is vital. Anchors are your first step, telling elements where to stick relative to their parent's corners. Size flags then control how much space an element tries to occupy. To avoid your UI being hidden behind game objects, always parent your main UI elements under a canvas layer node. For a full screen interface, ensure your root UI node's layout is set to full rect, stretching across the entire viewport. Finally, let's make your UI visually appealing with themes. Themes are powerful assets that allow you to define a consistent look and feel for all your UI elements. You can customize properties like colors, fonts, and textures using style boxes, which define how elements are drawn. A great feature is theme inheritance. You can create a base theme and then make smaller, specialized themes that only override specific properties, streamlining your design process significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.